y'all, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, it's going to be a tutorial on how to take my hair from this to this. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieved this look and or created this wig, then stay tuned. Okay, y'all, jumping straight into the tutorial. The cap that I'm going to be using is the Free Tress Braided Cap Full Bang Cap. And this cap has braids already pre-constructed on the cap, which makes it for an easier install and makes for a good install for people like myself who have no hair. So basically, I'm just taking the crochet needle and I am crocheting the hair through. Now with this cap, especially in the back, it was a little harder to get through the braids because the braids are very tightly braided. So what I found myself doing was actually going through the braid instead of under the braid, if that makes any sense. And I'm going to show y'all a close-up shot of that. So the hair that I'm using in this tutorial is by the brand Afro Natural. It is in the length 18 inch, the color 2, and it is their Dub Rock 2X Thick Twist. I'm going to insert a picture of the hair here, but I will also link it down in the description bar, so do not forget to check out the description bar because I always leave a bunch of information down there for you to have easy access to all the products that I'll be using in my videos. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier in the video, the braids are braided very tightly. So if you can see here, I'm going through the braid and not under the braid when I'm crocheting. As I am crocheting the hair, I am staggering it because this hair can get big very quick. So you don't want to crochet all of the hair onto every single cornrow. You want to skip over a few unless you want big Diana Ross hair. But you're going to get that with this hair anyway. So definitely feel free to skip over some spaces because once this hair is installed, you will not be able to tell. This is a sped up version of this tutorial, but this hairstyle normally takes about an hour and maybe an hour and a half if you're a beginner at crocheting, but it is a very beginner friendly hairstyle and it is perfect for the summertime for my girls who want to rock their big afros. Okay, so here is the final result. Once all of the hair is installed, I used approximately 3 packs of hair. Now, if you don't want your afro this big, you don't have to use that many packs. But I love big hair, being as though I am bald. So y'all, I'll see y'all in the next clip, and I'm going to style this wig.
No cat daddy, how you like that? Got no time for the subliminals. I threw up, bitch being paid, just think I'm miserable.
So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. The wig is very neat on the inside. The install is very neat. The wig cap does come with combs inside already. There are 2 combs located on the side, the temples of each side of the wig cap, and then there is a comb in the back. I won't be using any of those because I don't have any hair. But for my ladies who do have hair, that's definitely an option for you. Okay, y'all, so I started cutting the bang area around my face first, and then that's usually where I start. I usually start around my face, frame my face, and then I go and I shape up the actual afro itself. So you guys can see me do that here.
Big booty, big old tree. I'ma make them wait for the puss. Wait, hit it in these big old ski.
Needless to say, your girl is rocking and I love it. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section about this wig. Yes, as you can see, it's a wig style you can make in less than an hour. And I got a bonus for you guys. I loved the afro look so much that I had to copy in another color, and this is the color that I got. You guys, I'm gonna style this and you let me know which one you like better. Alright y'all, so here are the final results. Let me know which one is your favorite. Is this burgundy one the win, or is it going to be the black one? Y'all, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you liked this video and thought it was an easy to follow tutorial, let me know that down in the comment section. I love y'all and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.